Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss Warm. Welcome. So today's style is called Betty. Okay, but we're gonna put some respect on her name and call her Miss Betty. So this is beginner friendly hairstyle, good for long, short faces, oval faces. It's all about the fluffing up that fro to get it the way you want. So here we have a water bottle, brush, comb, product of your choice, twist, tie, because we are ultimately just doing a afro puff. I think this is timeless and it doesn't take a whole lot of effort to do. So this is old hair, but you'll pretty much get the gist of how it goes. So basically you want to make sure that you smooth down your hairs. So I'm using a pick. Don't do that. Use a brush if that's what you so choose to want to use to kind of just get everything flat. Now you guys, just FYI, do not be dismayed if you've been following me for quite some time. I told you that I experienced a lot of hair breakage. So I do have bald spots in the areas that I am focusing on trying to regrow. So I am doing a alphabet protective styles that will be a little too gentle on those areas that need quite the healing. So after you lay down your hair, apply whatever product, you go in with your twist tie and you wrap that around your puff. Now what's very important is shaping Miss Betty. Miss Betty needs to be shaped. So if you have a long chin like I do or a long face, it's important when you're achieving this particular style that you get that puff right, okay? Because the goal is to get it to shape in such a way that it is flattering for your facial structure, your face type, okay? By the way, if you're not following me on IG, you guys saw my information down below. I am going in and I'm getting those baby hairs in order. Now y'all, I don't like a hard shaped baby hair. I like something a little bit softer. Also, if you have again a longer face or long chin, accessories is very important. So with this particular hairstyle, I really do like wearing large hoops because it kind of just ties everything together and it takes away of that longness of my face. So yeah, you guys, this is the final result. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. I'll see you guys for the next alphabet. Smooches.